What's going on, guys? So I know a lot of y'all have been really enjoying all the Trail Boss footage, but I have seen the comments. There's still a lot of people saying Earl and Larry content, so we're going to be bringing y'all some Earl content today. We're going to be doing a rear lift install because, you know, we did the 4-inch rough country front lift on this thing, but we left the rear stock, and so it's got a little bit of a lean. Let's take a moment to look at Huey. I don't even know if y'all can see him in there. He's just in there chilling. I know a lot of people would like to see what the full lift kit looks like, because I know most people probably do install the full kit. If you buy the kit, it does come with a front and rear lift and then your shocks. So that's some extra bushings that I had and everything. Damn, we got some rough country stickers. But essentially, we're just gonna be tossing this block in there because this truck actually does not have any rear blocks. So we're gonna be raising it up, what's that, inch and a half. But that doesn't relate directly to how high it actually lifts. Just like front spacer lifts, they can be smaller but lift it more. Anyways, it doesn't have to correlate exactly the same. So one last little look with Earl with a little bit of lean to it. I just think it looks right. That's how I prefer them. We can easily swap this back if we don't like it. With that being said, let's go ahead and back Earl in the basement and get started installing it. Before we tear into it, let's go ahead and get a quick measurement. So right there, just under 4 inches. Sometimes you will have to jack the center pumpkin up some in order to get it to rotate to fit down in these holes. I had to adjust mine a little bit. Before we were at 4 inches, it looks like we gained quite a bit. So now we're at 6.5 inches. Also, for anyone that's been here for a while, you remember we did the full synthetic high mileage oil on Earl that's supposed to help stop leaks and kind of just bring your seals back to life. It works. So this is literally what has come out of Earl in months, whereas before it was like a big puddle, like way bigger than that. Like there's the old stains. So yeah, whatever it is, that magic oil, it has got Earl. Ooh, Earl looking kind of tall out there. It's got Earl not leaking anymore, or barely any. Here's a little view at night for anyone that's curious about the headlights. Pretty bright. Now they're aimed a little bit lower, and hopefully we don't get flashed by anyone, because before they were aimed a little bit high. Getting a little splash of gas. 263 Ripperino. Also, let's check it out. We hit 222,000 miles on the OBS. So we get some gas, and we're gonna try to get home before the bad weather hits. All right, so here's a good look of the truck with the lift blocks on the back, and I actually really dig it. I think it looks really good. I thought I was gonna prefer it with a little bit of a squat, but it actually looks pretty good. It's nice and tall looking. It doesn't look too raked or anything like that where I don't like it. Definitely comment down below, let me know what you think. Should we leave it like this, or should we bring it back? It is on a little bit of a slope. It's also starting to pour down rain. We've got some really bad storms coming through today. It is Wednesday. We've got tornadoes, hail, just really bad. We're in like level 5, which that sounds weird. We're in the level 5 area of where it's gonna be coming. So that's a little scary, but that's why we're cruising in Earl, because if it comes some baseball size hail, you know, Earl's gonna have to take it like a champ rather than the Trail Boss. So anyways, it was also good timing for me to get a video out for y'all. Earl do got a big old booty. You can actually see the rear end now, the axle and everything. So I'm enjoying it. I think it does look really good. So anyways, this is the full 4-inch lift from Rough Country. So you got the 4-inch spindles and then the lift blocks in the rear. And I would say if you're looking for the leveled look, it's pretty much perfect. So I'm digging it. Comment down below, let me know. And if you're in Alabama or surrounding areas, hopefully y'all are good from the weather. So it's actually kind of funny daily driving Earl, because believe it or not, this truck gets a lot of looks. So I know most people that are truck enthusiasts or like trucks or are middle-aged even, you know, a decently clean OBS is definitely an eye catcher, because they're either completely clapped out, rusted out, falling apart, beat to death, or they're just not really around. It's kind of a rare thing to see one that's in decent shape. And so this thing gets a lot of attention, surprisingly. And it's kind of funny to think there's literally $50,000 difference between this and the Trail Boss. So it's kind of funny. Does $50,000, which I might do a whole video on this topic, but does $50,000 really get you that much more of a truck to daily drive with? It gets you a whole lot. I will straight off the rip tell you, it gets you a whole lot, because there's a lot of things that you just genuinely miss out on going back to an older truck like this than from a brand new one. But there's also a lot of nice little cliche things about this old truck that you don't have in the new one. Only thing that is annoying is my turning radius is not good without rubbing, and that definitely gets annoying. So we're either gonna, well, we're gonna be swapping these wheels and tires off, but if not, we definitely need to trim more to make this thing actually enjoyable during the day. Dude, y'all don't want to mess with Earl. I'll give y'all the sauce. Get smoked. Dude, just straight freaking ripping. Ford Ranger coming in hot. Oh, yo. Oh, it's the mailman too. Y'all trying to run. We gaining on you. Gaining on you. So this is what it's like cruising down the highway in Earl. Not bad, a little bumpy, probably due to the wheels and tires. She rides pretty good. Windshield wipers could definitely go for a replacement. Thankfully my brakes are working good again once we replace that washer. It does appear to have fixed the issue. So yeah, day in the life Earl. Alright guys, well, that's about going to be it for this video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy it. And like I said, hopefully all y'all are staying safe out here with the bad weather. It's about to be here, so about to go hunker down. Earl's looking right. Alright guys, y'all wish Earl a safe night. You be safe out here, Earl. Come on, Storm. Don't be mean to Earl. I'll see y'all in the next one.